You have seen one of these driving through narrow streets, but this one had a different journey, and so did I. After all these years, I never repainted it or paid much attention to its appearance because I used it for my daily needs and it worked like a never tiring horse. The engine was still strong even after 10 years. That's the good thing about these autos. They are made to last. But the outside didn't look so good. The paint was dull, there was rust in some places, and a few parts needed fixing. I started by stripping the top since it was already worn out and needed to be replaced later. After stripping it, I realized it needed some welding. I drove it to a nearby welder and it turned out well. After welding, I waited for good weather to start painting. But since I was working on a road, it got delayed by 2 weeks. That kind of thing usually happens when you are new to this. Eventually, I got a clear day and started painting. It took 2 days and then by the end, it looked pretty good. I let it cure untouched for 10 days before installing the new tops, seat covers and stickers. I am really happy with how this restoration turned out. In the end, I didn't just clean it up, I brought it back to a version of itself it hadn't seen in years. Then I passed it on. Someone else is driving it now, but a part of me is still riding along.